Some of you, especially in the network marketing industry, are trying to build 6 or 7 figure income, but you're doing it with beliefs that can't even hold up $100 a month. Now, your belief audit, I want you to ask yourself these questions. What do I believe about money? What do I believe about success? What do I believe about people? What do I believe about myself? If you believe that, people don't have money, you won't attract any money. If you believe you're not good at building a business or bad at sales, you will repel your own breakthrough. So I want you to ask yourself, whose voice is this belief in? Because most of what's limiting you didn't even come from you. Okay? And here's the thing. And anything you think can't be done, anything that you think can't be done, it's already been done. It's been done by someone on our team. They've already done it. Whatever do you think? And I can't make $100,000 in a month, whatever. I can't make $1 million a year. It's been done. It's been done. And it's been done by more than one individual. It's been done by multiple people. So that's your proof. There's precedent for what you want to see. There's precedent for what you want to have. There's no excuse. So audit your beliefs and understand that any belief that is negative, that is telling you that you can't do something, understand that belief has no value. You should get rid of it as soon as possible by replacing it with the superior belief. What is one of those beliefs? Anything I want to do, it's already been done, and there are people on my team that are willing to teach me and help me do it. That's the belief you got to have. Now let's switch over a little bit, and let's talk about the three planes of alignment.